gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe ń lọ àti sọ pé bó ṣe ń lọ òun náà màmá mu wá Primate Ayodele wọ́n ti tún fi àwọn prophecy tó lágbára ránṣẹ́ sí President Tinubu àti President Talon ti Benin Republic lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu. Wọ́n ní 2026 tó ń bọ̀ yìí kò sẹ́ni tó lè gbà lọ́wọ́ Tinubu o. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ni náà wọnú Jupiter kó wọnú anything, kò sẹ́ni tó lè gbà. Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ pé President Trump ń bọ̀, President ìlú kan máa pàṣẹ fún ìlú kan, wọ́n níyẹn ò ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Wọ́n tún wá sọ fún President Talon tìlú Benin Republic pé ìjọba tó rò pé ti gbà padà ẹ̀ tí gbà padà o. Wọ́n ní kó má sùn rárá torí pé wọ́n yìí máa gbàjọba yìí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ ó kọ̀. Torí àwọn prophecy tó jáde yìí ó wà lágbára gan báyìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ ká fìdílé nǹkan ká wá nǹkan fìdílé ká jẹ́ ká gbọ́ lẹ́nu Primate Ayodele. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this CROSSBLOGXTV.
Tinubu is ready for second term. Desperate.
Yes, sir.
The wife is desperate. He, as a president, is also desperate. So, can this opposition compete with him or contest with him? Can they do what Tinubu will do? Tinubu can do anything possible by human and God. Opposition, go and tie on your belt too. Sure, you understand? This one is ready. We are still planning. Forget maybe international community or international road or president of America or not president of America is behind you. But we are talking about what is on ground spiritually. This one will produce anybody.
Yes.
So anybody that wants to defeat Tinubu must have 1 million things above Tinubu, not in the same level.
Yes.
Physically, is ready. Technically, is ready. Spiritually, financially, is ready. Morally, is ready. Psychologically, is ready. Is ready to do the battle. Not for talk, even the English is ready for the English. Anything you want to do, this one don't ready. Pass anybody. So, if you are saying Tinubu, just push him easy like that. Something will happen. No, Tinubu not be Jonathan. No.
Yes, sir. Very well, my lord.
So, opposition, if you are not strong enough, don't come out. Don't come out. In Benin Republic, the government will start monitoring calls. WhatsApp will not be saved in Benin Republic. Though that one will not save him. It won't save him. This one is making noise now. Talon is making noise. If he still take that step, another coup will come that will sweep him like tsunami. Don't rejoice. Don't think that this one, you have survived this. You have not survived. What you want to do, if you continue, you won't succeed it. Fubula's second term have been negotiated. The second time have been negotiated. As well, Ndudi Godwin Elumelu, Honorable Ndudi Godwin Elumelu, you will lose. If you go for this election, you will lose. Oh, you will waste money, you waste strength, energy. You will lose. Your people doesn't like you, except you appeals to God Almighty. Except you do good to your people. The person who is there, people still love him. The person who is there now, people still love him more than you, sir. Likewise, Elumelu. Tony Elumelu. You know what they call winch? Which one fighter? Winch. Winch from village. Winch.
Yes, sir.
They won't winch him. Just the way I talk and make it talk more. Winch won't winch Tony Elumelu. Baba Olowo.
Yes, sir.
They will just wish you like that, and they will even scare you. They are even using your compound for meeting in the village. So this one now only God could help you, so that you will not just collapse. Begin to Lumelu. Likewise, Joseph Bunker of Liberia. You are going to face crisis. Liberia is going to be hot next year. If they don't even plan coup against you, sincerely, your government will be very tough. Hardship is await Liberia 2026. The government is not ready to change, and this will cause hardship. It's going to cause crisis. Tax next year. Nigeria will not smile with tax. Tinubu should adjust this, because Nigeria will protest, and it doesn't need this. Your tax advisors, they only want to put you into crisis. That tax is good, but it will not work at this time. It's not the time to introduce it at all. This is not the best time for you to initiate this idea of the taxation, and doing this is going to affect you. Then don't print money, new note. Anybody will give you advice to print new note, that one will cause calamity. Don't try it. See, only two things this opposition can use to defeat Tinubu, but they can't think. Opposition cannot think. Don't think that anybody will come out and do the election for you. The election is in-house. It's within the power. Except you kill that power. So don't think that one America will come and give order. Which order? You cannot. Tinubu have think ahead of you. 7 years thinking on the head of Tinubu. You are just thinking 2026. Tinubu have finished 2026, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. As you run to 2026. Allah your tomorrow don't matter, you see. Come be the so Allah your tomorrow you want buy you as you think every ọmọdé ló ń pe election ni. Abi you think election is for baby? It's not for baby, it's for people who are serious, people who know how to think about it. People can do anything for election.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe, gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín, iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa, kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ, òun náà ni +234 7025 47 5427 +234 7025 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.